chartered accountancy as a rewarding career in various fields of business and finance, including financial reporting, audit, taxation, financial, and general management. Chartered accountants are largely engaged in public practice and private sector. They are also extremely successful entrepreneurs. To become a chartered accountant, one needs to be motivated, possess analytical skills, numerical ability, and intense cognizance of the world of business and finance. More specifically, it requires study of accountancy, auditing, taxation, corporate laws, corporate finance, economics, and management and information systems. Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan, ICAP, is the main body of chartered accounting in Pakistan. ICAP represents the accountants for private, domestic, and international companies like banks, institutes, and taxes centers. This institute is the member of IFAC, International Federation of Accountant, which is the global organization of accountancy professions. Why CA? The question that may come up in the mind of freshers. There are numerous facts about CA that can lead you to pursue it. High scope. Chartered accountancy has high scope in the business market and in chartered firms. In the business market, chartered accountancy certificate is in very demand than any other's business degree. Highly rewarding. Chartered accountancy is highly rewarding field. It is not only expected high salaries, but it also gives you more respect when you audit any company as an auditor. Mobility. There are many countries involved in chartered accountancy field. These countries prepare the students with too much qualification and practice with proper articleship, equivalent to MCom. In this way the candidates can plan for specialization study. The candidates can study more and fulfill their dreams on such basis. Increasing demands. The demands of chartered accountant are rapidly increasing in all market sectors. Whether it should be the industry, banks, social sectors, financial sectors, trade, education institutes, and even the social welfares. So what are you waiting for? It's all up to you to choose one field of your choice, and don't let it forgo.